Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy mousse. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 ripe avocados, 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and a natural sweetener like maple syrup or dates. Make sure your avocados are very soft for the best creamy texture. This simple list ensures a delicious and nutritious treat. Next, combine all your ingredients in a high-speed blender or food processor. Add a small amount of plant-based milk, like almond or oat milk, to help achieve a super smooth consistency. Blend until there are absolutely no lumps, stopping to scrape down the sides a few times. This step is crucial for that perfect mousse texture. Now it's time to taste and adjust. Sample your mousse and add more sweetener if desired. A tiny pinch of salt can really bring out the chocolate flavor. If you prefer a richer chocolate, add a bit more cocoa powder. For a thicker mousse, chill it longer. For a slightly thinner one, a touch more plant milk works wonders. Finally, transfer your healthy mousse into individual serving dishes or a single bowl. Place it in the refrigerator to chill for at least 1 hour. This allows the flavors to meld and the mousse to firm up. When ready, garnish with fresh berries, a sprinkle of shredded coconut, or a fresh mint leaf. Enjoy your delicious and guilt-free dessert.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.